Myself Srikant Patel from the Ansaba Engineering College of Technology, Sidhpur, and we are doing our work as a design engineering in a 3-day workshop.
Hello everyone, my name is Praful Patil. I am from Mechanical Department of Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology.
Hi, my name is Bhavik Jagad and I am working as assistant professor in Universal Engineering and Technology College, Ahmedabad. Hello. In a design engineering subjects, my domain is design for language, and I am coming to that domain because of from my past experience when I am delivering the lecture in front of students, and I am not getting the response from the students, even though they have a knowledge about that topic which I am delivering it, but I can't get the response from them. So I found that there is some barriers. They can't explain in front of us, and that barrier is of language. So at that time I'm clicking that this barrier is not only for the students, but there are many peoples who are facing the language as a barrier. That for example, these are the users, they are facing the language problems. In that students, businessmen, faculties, animals, maid, drivers, tourists, and these are the stakeholders of it, peon, teachers, transportation department, workers, localities, hospitals, doctors, and these are the activities which the users are doing in a general. Use of dictionaries, non-verbal communications, readings, manipulations, use interpreters, orders, concentrations. These are the activities what they are doing right now. And this is our second canvas, that is ideation canvas. In that peoples are, as I have said earlier, that students, peon, businessmen, drivers, guide, tourists, animals, these are the peoples who generally face the language problems. And these are the activities of them: learning, listening, writing, asking questions, interpretations, driving, write question, entrepreneurs, speech, take seminar and workshops. And these are the situations and contexts and locations at which the users are carried out the activity, all the activities which I have mentioned over here. These are the situation and context at which they are carried out the activities. And these are the possible solutions for overcoming our language barrier problems. So in that, first we can overcome that barrier by use of dictionaries, then use of common simple words, then we are using interpreter, then use of audio sensing device. So these are the possible solutions to overcome the language barriers. Now next canvas, I am inviting to explain next canvas my colleagues, Mr. Srikant Patel.
Okay, from the early explanation, we can find out language problem. It's a problem, so it's a product development canvas. We find out the problem, language barrier as a problem. Now, what is the purpose for designing a new product? It is a purpose to solve the language barrier, to create a medium for the better understanding, and to reduce the communication barrier. It's a purpose. For which people we create this product? The people are tourists, businessmen, students, and salesmen. Why we select this kind of a peoples from the users? Because this kind of a persons are always communicate with the person who is from the out of state as well as who is from the out of country. So language of a out of state person as well as the out of country persons are different, and to solve the problem of a language barrier, we select language barrier as a product development. Okay, so we develop a new product which can solve the language barrier. What is the product function? The product function is a translation of a language. Means कि एक लैंग्वेज को दूसरी लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट कर दो, या तो conversion, make a conversion. Okay, now which kind of features are come in this kind of a product? कैसी होनी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट कि उससे हम जो कम्युनिकेशन है उसको इजी बना सके? तो वो कॉम्पैक्ट होनी चाहिए, कोई भी यूज कर सके, ऐसी होनी चाहिए, चीप होनी चाहिए, नॉट अ कॉस्टली. ओके, इजी टू इंस्टॉल होनी चाहिए, इजी टू स्टार्ट, इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी चाहिए. देन प्रोग्रामिंग इज ऑलवेज देयर बिकॉज इट इज अ फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक प्रोडक्ट. Now, what is a component? Which kind of component is required? I am saying that कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, कोई बोल रहा है उसको सेंस कर रहा हूँ, उसको मेरी लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना सेंस करने के लिए, उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए और आउटपुट देने के लिए. तो एज ए ऑडियो सेंसिंग इज ए माई इनपुट डिवाइस, रिकॉर्डर इज ए इनपुट डिवाइस, डिस्प्ले is my output for the operating as well as the RAM and ROM. The memory is also required to install the programs and coding and decoding. Circuits are there, visual device which can give the output in visual manners. Okay, software are there, speakers are there, batteries are there. It is such a kind of a component which can used in our product. So after it we can say that our product sense the audio, then convert this audio into our required language and give the output visual as well as in audio manners. Okay, now customer revalidation. We validate our product by the customer. Customer gives some suggestions and comments on our product. These products are user friendly. वो बोल रहे हैं कि user friendly होनी चाहिए, कोई भी बंदा उसको यूज कर सके ऐसी होनी चाहिए. Then easy to implement in smartphone. मैं अलग से डिवाइस बना रहा हूँ, उसकी जगह मैं क्या करूँ, जो हमारा स्मार्टफोन है उसमें कोई चीज डाल दूं कि वो स्मार्टफोन वो लैंग्वेज डिटेक्ट करे और उसको कन्वर्ट कर सके. ऐसा बोला गया हमारे कस्टमर ने. क्विक रिस्पांस मीन कि अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो मुझे क्विकली वो रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए, उसको कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए और मुझे आउटपुट भी देना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि 1 या 2 मिनट के बाद मुझे आउटपुट मिले. सो इट्स अ कस्टमर रिवैलिडेशन एंड फ्रॉम द कस्टमर रिवैलिडेशन वी रिजेक्ट अवर प्रीवियस प्रोडक्ट एंड वी develop a new design. It is a redesign in which we develop a new application which is inbuilt by a motion sensing device and expression sensing device. It means it is also capture the motion as well as sensors. Now another portion of a design engineering last canvas can be explained by my colleagues.
So in the stage of design thinking venture canvas, we are finally concentrated our design problem for the people of tourists, businessmen, salesmen or students, because they are facing the problems, they are facing the more problems for the language. Okay, so our problem, our designing has the solve the multiple problems like human being, animal and deaf and dumb persons, but we are mainly concentrated on the solving the design problem of language for the human being and dumb persons. Okay, so the key solution for solving that problem is mobile application and language translator. If we are using the mobile application or language translator, we can able to solve the problems of that kind of people. There is also another multiple solution is also available, like we are using the use of dictionary, use of pictorial model or interpreter, or use of more gesture and posture during the language. Okay, so by using the mobile, our key solution is use the mobile application or use of language translator. So if we design for the mobile application, then there is a rough prototype here that shows how the we are using the mobile application to solve the design problem of language. Okay, so in that we are using the audio sensing device or motion sensing device in the input side, which can capture the input language, and that information goes in the program, and in that programming that information is converted into coding form into the machine language form. That information goes into the inbuilt database where it can convert into output language according to our selection of output language. That language is then after decoded and translated into our output language. That output language is shows in the audio visual form at the output side. Okay, so in the our redesigning, we are develop the application for the develop this application in the smartphones. Okay, and according to that, we are generally goes on the final solution of development of new mobile application which have audio and motion sensor device. Thank you.